Marriage counseling is a form of psychotherapy that helps couples strengthen and improve their relationships. During sessions, couples are invited to discuss issues and explore solutions in an open, non-judgmental environment. Marriage counselors help couples build trust, restore respect, and create healthier communication patterns through therapy. Marriage counseling uses evidence-based techniques to address common relationship issues such as poor communication, infidelity, and trust issues. It also helps couples work through complex topics like parenting styles, financial problems, and differences in opinion. Our free printable marriage counseling questions provide 15 thought-provoking prompts to help you deeply understand your clients. To use our free marriage counseling questions template, follow these steps. Obtain the worksheet. Access our free marriage counseling questions template through the link provided in the description or from the Carepatron app. Next, print or save the worksheet. Once you have downloaded the template, print it out or save it on your device. It is crucial to have a physical or digital copy of the sheet to refer to during couples therapy. Next, utilize the template in the initial sessions. When you are with the couple, instruct them to answer the questions provided in the worksheet. Remember to encourage both individuals to be candid and open. This will facilitate a better understanding of their relationship dynamics and how they collaboratively enhance it. Example of the questions asked are: what initially attracted you to each other? How has the attraction evolved over time? What are your individual expectations and goals for your marriage? What are your primary love languages and how do you express love and affection towards each other? Lastly, conduct follow-up sessions. After each session, follow up with the couple to monitor their progress. Ask about their application of the discussed therapeutic strategies and ensure they are making progress towards their goals. Here is a sample of our free marriage counseling questions template, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our marriage counseling questions template, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.